Hello everyone, let's do this question and I read the question. Find inverse Laplace of fs equals to 6 plus 2s over s plus 1 s squared plus 3s plus 2. And so therefore guys, we now do this question. And so we shall first of all break this into partial fractions. And so for it to be partial fraction, we got to find the factors of this. And the factors of this is s plus 1, s plus 2. And so we shall have 6 plus 2s all over s plus 1, again s plus 1, s plus 2. So this now comes to 6s, 6 plus 2s all over s plus 1. Now these are going to be 2, so it's squared s plus 2. Now we can find the partial fractions for that. So for this, you have a all over s plus 2 plus b s plus 1 plus c s plus 1 squared. So guys, that's what we have for the partial fractions. And now we come and find a, b, and c. For that, we're going to equate this side into 6 plus 2s. And that is going to be 6 plus 2s is equals to divide LCM by this denominator of a, that gives us s plus 1 squared. So this is going to be a s plus 1 squared. Now plus b, divide the LCM by s plus 1. This now comes to s plus 1, s plus 2. And finally, divide this LCM by the denominator of c. This comes to plus c, now s plus 2. And so therefore, guys, now we look for the constants, the unknown. And this now is going to be, we can say a certain s equals to, guys, if we want to eliminate this and that, we can set s equals to -1. Because guys, this comes to 0, this comes to 0. We are left with only this and this. And so putting -1 here, this is 6 now minus 2, which gives us 4, equals to, now put -1 here. This will be c, and then it shall be 1. Therefore, c will be equal to 4. Coming now to finding the value of, let's say the value of a, we can set the value of b, we can set s equals to -2. So if we set s equals to -2, actually we shall be finding the first one, that is a. Setting s equal to -2. And so therefore this will be eliminated, this will also be eliminated. And so we'll be left with this term and this term. And so this is going to be 6 plus, this will be -4. And so we shall have 2 equals to, we bring -2 here, -2 plus 1, that gives us -1. -1 squared is actually 1. So this is a 1. And so therefore, guys, a is going to be equal to 2. And then we have the last case where we want now to find b. Guys, we can use the issue of constants. And let me write here constants. And let me leave you, you try that and see whether you're going to find what I will also find. This is actually going to be b equals to -2. Guys, try manipulating the constant, or rather identifying the constant in each of these terms, and then now equating, and see whether you shall get -2. Now, after finding the partial fractions, guys, now we come and find the inverse Laplace of each of them for that, and also for that, and finally for that, which is similar to Laplace transform of, of the equation we were given right here. And so guys, for this, the first one, this is going to be 2. This is now, here we shall write e raised to -2t, and this one now comes to minus 2 e raised to -t. Remember this value here too is this 2, and this 2 is this. This -1 is actually this. When this is plus, this becomes negative. When this is plus, this becomes -2. Now plus, here we have another function here. First of all, we put the constant. And when we have a function like this, with the square, we write t first, and then we write e now raised to, just like the one of s plus 1, -t. And so guys, this is our inverse Laplace transform. And thank you for listening to me. Bye.